everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you guys my Target haul. Now I'm not going to call this an Ibotta haul. I'm hoping Ibotta kicks it up. I did hit level 1 between Target and Walmart today, but I'm really hoping Ibotta is going to be the best month ever. And if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, there's a link below that you guys can join. Once you redeem your first rebate, you guys will get 10 bucks for free, and you guys can start redeeming, or you can start cashing out your gift cards when you hit 20. So, and what I usually do is I roll my gift cards, so whatever I buy with Ibotta, I redeem it, and then I use those gift cards to buy some more coupon and stuff. So I never really have to pay a dime out of my own money when I do this stuff. So definitely stay tuned for more Ibotta deals and a more updated Ibotta app video. But let's just dig in and see what I can share with you guys. Now, I went crazy over the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. Walmart doesn't have it as far as I know, but Target had it. My area did not get those coupons, so my store only had 4, so I ended up getting all 4. The coupons, it was just a free Baby Ray's coupon. Now, the coupon did say you can only use 2, so I ended up doing 2 transactions for this, but I couldn't pass it up. So Sweet Baby Ray's, these were free. These were actually $2.49. With that coupon, they came to be free, and my husband is a happy camper. He loves to cook with hot sauce, and he has a friend that loves to cook. So, like, he took them out of the bag and had to take pictures, you know, to send to his friend, and you're probably watching this, Heath, I'm sorry. But, you guys, he is just in heaven, because he's like hot sauce, but we really like the Sweet Baby Ray's. So I did 2 of those in 2 different transactions. I'm like ready to have a party. You know, I had to buy some tortilla chips today because I'm going to make some homemade salsa too. But this is the Pace Chunky Salsa. This was on sale for $1.99. Now, my store did not have them marked for on sale for $1.99, but they were. There was a 10% deal off a cartwheel. You guys would end up paying $1.79 for this, but then you guys can submit for this for a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. Now, please keep in mind, you guys' rebates might be a little bit different. Some of you guys might have $1, some of you guys might have 50 cents like I do. You guys would end up getting this technically for $1.29, but then there's a deal on Fetch Rewards. Now, if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it. I have a referral link below. You guys will get $2, which is 2,000 points. So every 1,000 points equals $1, and you guys can actually cash out at $3, and that's what I use when I go to CVS. I just have them scan my gift card, so I don't have to pay any money out of pocket. I just use my gift cards that I get from Fetch Rewards, and it's absolutely free. It's actually my second favorite app that I use because I pretty much scan all my receipts, and you usually get 25 points for every receipt that you scan, and then you get bonus stuff. So there is a bonus deal for Pace. You guys, some of this is different for everybody, but you guys might get 1,000 points. I only got 500 points, which is equivalent to 50 cents, but hey, 50 cents is 50 cents. So after you factor in the Fetch Reward points, this comes out to be just 79 cents, which could be a decent deal. It is summer right now, or it's going to be summer soon, so it's a great thing to have, you know, if you're having a party and you need to do something like that. My phone rang. That's weird. Okay. I ended up getting the Tic Tac gum. I thought about it, I forgot about it, thought about it, forgot about it, and then as I was checking out, I'm like, oh, there they are. So these were $1.17 a piece. There is a 30% deal on Cartwheel. You guys would also want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we got from a while back ago. Now, I think there also might be a coupon on smartsource.com if you guys do not have that coupon. But you guys would end up getting these for just 32 cents a piece. I have yet to try these, but my husband says they're really good. And I think they're really cool how compact they are, you know. I mean, it's like regular Tic Tacs, but it's gum. So, 32 cents a piece. Could not pass that up. Now I ended up getting the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails because you guys actually want to do this deal at CVS, but I'm not driving to CVS to do this deal. And I kind of used it up on Sunday when I went. But these were actually $2.49 at Target. We got those $2 off coupons that just popped up on coupons.com this morning. I would definitely print those out because those are hot coupons and they will not last long. And they don't expire for like a month. But you guys want to use those coupons. You guys would end up getting each of these for 49 cents. Now I have a deal where if you spend, was it $12 or $15? I think it's $15 on Savings Star. Once you hit that, you guys will get a $4 bonus. Well, I only needed to spend $3 more to get that bonus, so I had to buy two of these. So I got that $4 bonus. So both of these end up becoming a $3.02 moneymaker. I think that's kind of cool. I've yet to use these, but I don't really care about my nails. I don't get them done. So these are great for people who, you know, get their nails done. But it does help prevent chipping, splitting, and cracking. Maybe I should do that because I work in a hardware store and I don't really care about my nails. But I'm always like, bleh. So I should try those. I should try those. Maybe it'll help. Okay, avocados. I am not a fan of avocado, guacamole, all that stuff. I don't like that stuff. But my husband loves this stuff. So the avocados, I think these were 89 cents a piece. There is a deal on the coupons.com app where you guys can get avocados up to $2. So you guys can buy as many as you want. Up to $2. So I got two of them for 89 cents. You guys would pay $1.78, or depending on what your store has them for. So $1.78, but then you guys will get $1.78 back, or a variance for what you guys. So these going to be absolutely free on the coupons.com app. Now they had Walmart for a long time and then Target, so they're really trying to promote their app. So couldn't go wrong with free avocados. When I told the husband I'm getting free avocados, he's like, "You are? Awesome." He was like a very happy camper. So yeah, that was my small haul. I didn't get very much, but I wanted to share with you guys some good deals. I tried searching for more stuff, but I didn't either have the right coupons for it, or I'm just like, nah. So yeah. So my total came to $5.17 for everything. I know it's kind of sad. I ended up getting 50 cents back with Ibotta. I got $4 back with Savings Star. And I got 50 cents back with Fetch Rewards. And then I'll get $1.78 back with the coupons.com app. You just take a picture of your receipt and then it sends it to your PayPal account. If you guys you can send money for free, and then what you guys want to do is, if you ever want to pay for something in PayPal, you can pay for stuff. I buy Dollar Tree gift cards with my PayPal money, and it doesn't cost anything. The only time you pay a fee with PayPal is when you guys don't have any more money in your account. So it like goes to your account, and then I just let it sit there. I do not have it connected to my bank for certain reasons, but I just have it there, and so then that's how I buy stuff. And as long as you have credit, you don't ever have to pay a fee. If you guys end up using your own credit card to pay through PayPal, then you got to pay a fee. Just wanted to let you guys know on that. So $1.78 free after that. So if you add everything together, it came to $1.61 moneymaker. So I got all of this stuff for free, which is a pretty good deal. I mean, I already got Baby Ray's sauce for free, so I don't know. I think I did pretty good. I mean, Target was kind of a bust last week. It was kind of a bust this week, but I'm really pushing to get more deals for you guys. I'm just waiting, you know, for some great deals, but it'll kick in. It'll kick in. But if you, like I said, if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely do it. I pretty much show videos just to show you guys Ibotta deals, and I'm hoping each and every single one of you guys hit level 4. A lot of you guys just recently hit level 4 or super close, so let's hit all level 4 together on Ibotta this month, you guys. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm here with you guys. If you have any help, have any problems, questions, comments, concerns, message me. If you guys also want to be on my Ibotta team on Facebook, I have a link below where you guys can friend request me. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this. I will only accept you guys if you live in the United States, and I know you guys have the Ibotta app. I've been having some weirdos friend request me that live in like different countries. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna be friends with you guys so you guys can like Google me. You're probably doing that right now, but bleh. So I will only be your friend if I know you guys live in the United States and you guys have Ibotta. Majority of you guys do. Yeah, I'm not slamming you guys, but I have had some real winners friend request me, and I'm just like, no. And yeah, I had to show the husband one guy because he like literally creeped me out. It was just like, okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, but you guys know what the drill is. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Target Ibotta videos, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye-bye.